Good afternoon, sir.
Hmm.
Today, thank you for providing this opportunity to present this presentation
Hmm.
before you. In this presentation, I am going to explain you about the importance of emotional intelligence in our day-to-day life.
Okay.
So, the whole presentation is about the importance of emotional intelligence and how we can apply it in our life.
Hmm.
And in the introduction part, I will explain how we can develop emotional intelligence in our life and how why we need it in our day to day life.
Hmm.
So, understanding and applying EQ for better relationship and success.
Hmm.
So, at first, I would like to explain you what is the emotional intelligence and what the term means that about emotional intelligence is.
Hmm.
So, the emotional intelligence from the word we can understand that it is something related to emotional that
Hmm.
we feel, and intelligence is something intelligence of mind.
Hmm.
So, the two words is made two words together. It means that the intelligence which we feel in emotional,
Hmm.
which is based on emotional feelings that we have in our day to day life. So in this slide, in this slide, the three C's of emotional intelligence are consciousness,
Hmm.
compassion, connectedness.
Hmm.
So the compassion, consciousness, and connectedness are
Hmm.
the three C's of emotional intelligence that we should follow in our life,
Okay.
so that we can develop emotional intelligence in our life. So, recognize, understand, and influence the emotions of others.
Hmm.
So, um, we should understand what the other's emotional intelligence is and recognize this and get influenced by the emotion of the others. So, it was developed. This theories was developed from a psychologist Daniel Goleman.
Hmm.
In this whole slide, I have explained you about the what is emotional intelligence and what it means. In the
Hmm.
next slide, I would explain you about the components of emotional intelligence and
Okay.
what are the components of intelligence. First is emotional self awareness.
Hmm.
So we should have a self awareness about our own emotions.
Hmm.
Like if we are sad, so we know should know that why we are sad, and we should be aware of the fact that not to be sad and to be happy. So this awareness should be there in ourselves. Self regulation. So
Okay.
managing our emotion is very important.
Hmm.
Like if someday we are angry upon someone,
Hmm.
so we should not be angry and we should try to control our emotion and be peaceful in that situation.
Hmm.
Motivation, third component of emotional intelligence is motivation,
Hmm.
using emotion to stay focused. So many people in nowadays in the field of technology and social media, they are getting distracted. So we should be focused and using our emotion and get motivated for our studying and for our work purpose. Empathy, understanding how others feel. So
Hmm.
in this selfish world and jealous world, people are not caring what people have feelings, what people are feeling. So we should also understand what people feel and we should take action according to them.
Hmm.
And fifth, a component of emotional intelligence is social skills, managing relationship smoothly.
Hmm.
In the whole social society, some people will be good, some people will be kind, some people will be. Every person have different character, so
Hmm.
we should manage them according to our relationship, so that our relationship with everyone is good.
Hmm.
So these are the few of the components, five components of emotional intelligence. In the next slide, I would like to explain you about why emotional intelligence matters,
Hmm.
like why EQ is matters and why we need it to apply it in our life.
Hmm.
So it enhances our communication and relationship. Like if we are good to kind to someone, and so our communication will also be improved and our relationship with that person will also be improved.
Hmm.
Second point is improved decision making. If our EQ is good, so we will be able to make decision very good.
Hmm.
And if our and third point is about it also reduces stress and conflict.
Hmm.
So many situations we have seen that EQ also save us from reducing our stress and conflict in every situation.
Hmm.
And it also helps in personal and professional growth. If our emotional intelligence is good, so our personal life and professional growth will also be increased drastically in our life.
Hmm.
So next point is about building it resilience and empathy. It also brings peace among us in the society and what from the humans which we are living and surrounding by with. So it builds our empathy and resilience between us.
Hmm.
In the second, in this slide, I would like to explain you about the what are all the experiences which we get in our daily life, and what all the examples we use it in daily life
Hmm.
at home. Like if like managing family disputes calmly, at school work handling feedback positively, with friends understanding and respecting others feeling, in public managing anger or stress in crowd or traffic. So these are the few of the points which gives us gives us the examples what we use in our daily life. So this all examples tells us about how we can manage at home, at school, with friends, in public, and it is very important to manage in every aspects in our life. So EQ is very important to manage in our day to day life. These are the pictures which represents about what is emotional intelligence, and what can be there. So these are the some of the pictures which are representing about emotional intelligence. This slide is about what all benefits we get if we have a good emotional intelligence.
Hmm.
So, first point is better mental health, stronger relationship, leadership, and teamwork skills, higher job performance, conflict resolution abilities. So,
Hmm.
these are the few benefits which we get if we have a good or high emotional intelligence in our life.
Hmm.
Our mental health will be good. We will have a strong and very good relationship with others. We will also develop our relationship and teamwork skills, and our job will be also in the high performance, and we will also be able to manage the conflict between the around us, which is surrounding by us.
Hmm.
So this slide is about what is some people misunderstand between the EQ and IQ. So both are different things.
Hmm.
So in the EQ is about emotional manage, but IQ is about measures intellect.
Hmm.
So it is the knowledge which we have. So EQ is can be developed over time.
Hmm.
So, and an IQ cannot be changed easily. So the EQ uh, is by it will take time to change, but
Hmm.
EQ will not change. IQ will not change easily. EQ is about good people for people management. EQ will help to be better, get a better relationship with the other persons which
Hmm.
we are surrounding by, and IQ will be responsible for solving good problems. So this all the points are we will able to differentiate between EQ and IQ.
Hmm.
And at last, I would
Interest.
like to conclude this presentation by saying that emotional intelligence is very useful and essential in our life because it balances and make us successful in our life. It also it will be useful for to help us to understand ourselves and others better. Because
Hmm.
if our EQ is good, we will able to understand other feelings, and we will also care about others too. It will also make us better communicator, leader, and friend. So if the EQ is better, our leadership will skills will grow, we will get a higher job opportunities, and we will become a good communicator in every way. Thank you.
Hmm. Good.